In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Planner to PDF. We'll use the standard and most reliable approach. First, export your plan to Excel, then save that spreadsheet as a PDF. This method gives you a clean, shareable document that captures key details like task names, buckets, progress, priority, start and due dates, and checklist counts. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser at tasks.office.com or open the Planner app inside Microsoft Teams if that's where you work. Once Planner is open, select the specific plan you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the right plan because the export will reflect exactly what's in that plan at this moment. At the top of the plan, next to the plan's title, look for the small downward arrow in the header. Click that and choose Export Plan to Excel. Planner will immediately create a spreadsheet with all the relevant columns and begin downloading it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it typically goes to your Downloads folder, and you'll see a confirmation at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads list. Open the downloaded file in Excel. You'll see a structured table with your tasks and associated details. This is a great time to quickly review the content to make sure everything you expect is there. Remember, it includes task names, buckets, progress, priority, start and due dates, and checklist counts, so it's a useful snapshot of your plan's status. Now you're ready to create the PDF. In Excel, go to File, then choose Save As. Pick the location where you want to store the PDF. In the File Type dropdown, select PDF. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later, and then click Save. Excel will generate a PDF version of the current sheet based on your existing page settings. A quick note on what to expect. The PDF reflects the layout of the Excel sheet, so very wide plans or many columns may span multiple pages. That's normal and depends on how much information your plan contains. The result is a static, shareable document that's easy to send to stakeholders or archive for reporting. And that's it. You've taken your Microsoft Planner data, exported it to Excel, and saved it as a polished PDF. If anything changes in your plan later, just repeat these steps to capture an updated snapshot. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your planner information quickly and clearly.